Hey yo guys, we got a banger today and the leather on these Jordan 12 Melos is crazy. Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you're having a great time out there, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel guys. Today, that's right guys, we're looking at the Jordan 12 Melos which actually came out on the 17th of May, and I've just about got around time to actually go and do the review for this. But before we look at the sneaker, before we look at everything about the sneaker, the history, what this sneaker means, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me, let's have a conversation, let's break it down like we always do, and please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATL. Go follow the bro at 808 Kicks _ ATL. Go and show him some love and support because he always comes and shows the channel love and support. And also please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast where we talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion. And also guys, keep doing amazing things that you guys keep doing to keep growing, to keep elevating, to keep hitting your targets and your goals, because I want you to win. You guys need to keep winning, you guys need to keep growing, and you guys need to keep being awesome guys, because that's the most important thing on this channel guys. But today, like I said earlier, we're looking at the Jordan 12 Melos. As you can see from the BRoll guys, we're looking at the Jordan 12 Melos today, a sneaker which is highly regarded and highly associated with Carmelo Anthony. If you didn't know the background of the story, Carmelo Anthony actually got drafted in 2003 by the Denver Nuggets, 3rd pick overall, and in 2004 they released this actual Jordan 12 colorway, this actual Carmelo Anthony Jordan 12, and it was dedicated to the actual Denver Nuggets colorway or the team colors. That actually released in women's sizes only first originally, and then obviously 2 months later they released the men's sizes because of the high demand on the sneaker. I think this actually re-retroed again in 2016 in GS sizes, but finally in 2025 we get this iconic sneaker. This almost powder blue all white sneaker comes out in 2025, and let me tell you guys, this sneaker is sitting, this sneaker is currently going under retail in the resale market. So if you can get this sneaker, you should definitely go and purchase this sneaker, because we're going to break down the sneaker, we're going to break down the box and the quality on the sneaker, because this quality and the leather on this sneaker is absolutely fantastic. But before we look at the sneaker, because that was a bit of the background of actual what the sneaker means into the community, Carmelo Anthony's Jordan 12 actual, or could have been a PE, but it came out to the general public as a brilliant colorway. And this is where we look at the box, because hey, presto shebang guys, this is what the box looks like. This is a Jordan 12 regular box, brown top, red lid, black undertones on the underlid there, as you can see guys. And obviously you've got Just Do It on the lid. You've got engineered and built to the exact specifications of champions athletes from around the world, which is on the back of that box, which is absolutely fantastic. Swoosh on top, and you've got all the affiliated writing at the bottom as well. This is what a regular Jordan 12 box looks like. This is how it should be, this is how it should come, and that's what the box label looks like. That's how it should come guys. Make sure it reads like that, make sure it comes like that, because it does read, if you can't read it in the screen, it does read Jordan 12 retro white university blue, but it's not really university blue. It looks more like powder blue in my personal opinion, but we'll break the sneaker down a bit. And it does say, or the actual French abbreviation is Bleu California, Carolina, I mean. So basically it kind of is a Carolina blue or a powder blue between a university blue as well. So there's 3 different variations you can pick from it. But what a sneaker to have in hand. This is UK 10, US 11, EU 45, and the code reads CT8013112. That's what the code looks like. That's how it reads. That's how it should come. This is a legit pair from, I think, Offspring, which I purchased from. Is it from Offspring? No, it came from Nike directly, because basically I got this from Nike on the release date. actually, I went and picked this up on store on the 17th. I actually went on store and picked this up from Offspring. I think this is why I'm getting confused. I picked up like 3 sneakers on the 17th, or was it size? One of the two. I got it from the retailers. As you can see, that's what the box is. That's how it should be. That's how it should come. And it was an easy pickup. I think, with the actual South Korea 3s and the actual Jordan 4 white cements. I picked this up on the same day, on the 17th, and it's taken me 2 weeks to get the review out because I've been so busy doing other things, especially with the little break between me going to see Tyler the Creator and the sneaker and the review. And this is the final chance I get to do this review for the actual Melo 12s, and this sneaker is a banger. Now let's go take a look at this magnificent, absolutely gorgeous Jordan 12 Melo. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shebang. And as you can see, guys, this sneaker is predominantly university blue, powder blue, Carolina blue, whatever blue you want to call it, and white. And that's what the actual colorway looks like. Beautiful in hand, absolutely gorgeous. And on screen, let's take a look at that leather, because that leather is so tumbled. That leather is so soft on the toe as well. This is not like a Jordan 12, regular Jordan 12 leather, because I've got a lot of Jordan 12s and the leather is not as cushy as this one. This is so tumbled and so soft, and I'm surprised this is actually sitting. Even the toe is crinkled at this moment in time. I might need to put some actual like guard protectors or toe protectors on this to actually decrease the toe, because this came like this. I haven't even worn these. I haven't done the on feet. I'm about to do the on feet after this review and drop it as part of this review, but this is just crinkled and tumbled all the way through. The tumble leather on this is absolutely crazy. Even the actual scales on the actual mud guards, like the crocodile scales on the mud guards, is tumbled, and it is just soft. And you've got that white Jordan emblem right at the back heel there as well, and obviously that university blue shines through, or that actual powdered blue shines through. You got the Jordan at the back with the grey Jumpman, and you got the 23 at the back as well, which is white. Absolutely magnificent. And you also got quality inspired by the greatest player ever on the side of that. That's actually what the Jordan 12 looks like. That's how it should come. And the tongue itself is soft as well, absolutely beautifully soft for the 2 and the 3 on this as well, which is dope. As you can see through the laces, white laces. I don't think you get any other laces with this. I would have liked to see actual powder blue or university blue laces with this to actually break up the top upper, but that's what it is. That's how it is, and you can't change that as well. I do like the actual silver plated or silver looking actual lace locks at the top, or the lace hoops at the top as well, with a Jumpman on them as well, which is dope. And then inside this sneaker is all of that blue inner lining as well, which is that cotton blue inner lining which comes with the sneaker. Insoles, I haven't seen the insoles. Let me take the insoles out, because it does look like it's a more university blue or powdered blue. I keep calling it both. Whatever the blue you want to call it, it is basically to me more of a powdered blue on the sneaker, so I'm going to keep calling it powdered blue rather than university blue or Carolina blue. But as you can see, guys, that's more of that blue in the insole as well, with that white Jumpman. That's how the insole is. That's how it is. And it is a dream sole insole, so this is more of a little shallower insole, but you can get away with Jordan 12s, because Jordan 12s are quite comfortable to wear, and then you can get away with a dream sole insole on this. I actually did think originally when dream sole insoles were coming out that they were going to be way more comfortable, but they aren't. They are actually a bit more shallower, so it means you haven't got the extra cushioning like a regular polyurethane insole, and that's the difference between a dream sole and a polyurethane insole. That's what the sneaker looks like. And then you can see on the outsole you've got more of that white and that blue, and the actual grid pattern of graphite in there has got that blue and actual black wavy patterning through there, and the black touches that toe on that 23 as well. That is absolutely beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous, guys. This sneaker is fantastic. The leather on this is fantastic, and when I've taken the actual paper out of this, you can see it is just a super soft sneaker. This is going to be one of those sneakers that is going to crinkle and crumble, and then you'll have to reshape the toe. And I can see it already, because you can see already on the actual video that the toe is just crinkled out. On the actual left hand side it's not too bad, but on the right hand side you can see it's already creased a bit, but that's because of the leather quality. And I feel like the leather quality on this is slightly thinner on the actual main uppers, but the actual crocodile scales or the mud guards is thicker, and that's because it's probably got the combined leather from the lower upper to the actual mudguard as well. That's the difference. I like it, I love it. This is an absolutely beautiful colorway. I've been waiting for this for quite a while, and this is definitely getting my 5 guys. An absolutely beautiful sneaker to have in hand. It is just soft to perfection. I might have to kind of, you know, put some more paper on the toe and just maybe iron that out a bit, because yeah, it's crumbled. The toe is crumbled. That's how soft the leather is. Go and check this out in store. Go and check this out where you can. This is an absolutely gorgeous sneaker. The blue and the white hits. There's an actual Air Trainer 1 that I've got, which is the same colorway. It's a Bo Jackson, I think it's a Bo Jackson tribute sneaker as well. That's got the same colorway. There's something about that white and that blue that hits really well on sneakers like this. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful, and you can see the booty on that Jumpman as well, on that tongue. Absolutely dope sneaker. Love this sneaker. 5 guts is what I'm going to give it, and this is going to be on my feet at the end. So wait to the end for the on feet, because then I'm going to give you some kind of fits I can wear with this. I'm going to try and wear cargos with this a bit more, because I think this is great to wear with cargos. I think Jordan 12s hit really well with cargos. Maybe some jeans. I might give it an actual military blue Jordan 4 treatment where I actually wore some actual jeans with it, but it's a dope sneaker, and I love the way the actual Jumpman comes up through the actual toe there. Absolutely gorgeous and absolutely beautiful. This was a review for the Jordan 12 Melos, but like I do on this channel, I'm going to give you that front perspective. I'm going to give you that booty action back perspective with a 23 on the back, that lateral side, that medial side, and a beautiful out. So I'll give you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you keep hitting the streets, and make sure you keep bringing all of that heat. Bang, bang, and bang. That was the review for the Jordan 12 Melos. What a beautiful sneaker. It was a trifecta day on the 17th of May, and this was basically a 3rd sneaker. I picked up the South Korea 3 2.0s. I picked up the actual white cement 4s, and this was a 3rd sneaker I picked up on that day, which is that Melo 12. Go and check it out if you can in store, because it is a beautiful sneaker to have in hand, and it is so soft, guys. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And don't miss out. If you can get this on sale, go and get this on sale, guys, because this is not doing well in terms of the retail price. The retail price is dropping, the resale price is dropping. I think you can get this for 150, possibly 160, and then retailed for like 190. So go get your sneakers, guys, and keep wearing all of that heat. That's my advice to you guys. But that was a review, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always showing love and support. Wait to the end for the on feet, so I'm definitely putting this on feet. But for me, TJ, I love Customs. Hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys got the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ, until the next review, peace out for now, guys, and peace.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like truth. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference, I ain't studying you stepping. I don't care what you reppin', I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing, nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing, I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't know there's no weapon, I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message, if I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth. I'm coming back with more flavors. Put it all on the table, similar to J.